Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy spreads on Robinhood. Options spreads are a powerful way to trade, involving the simultaneous purchase and sale of two or more options contracts. This strategy allows you to define your risk and reward, potentially limiting both your maximum loss and maximum profit. Robinhood supports several types of spreads, such as vertical debit and credit spreads, which we will explore. Before you can trade spreads, you must enable options trading on your Robinhood account. This involves a quick application process within the app. Crucially, you will need to be approved for Level 3 options trading. This specific approval level is necessary because it permits the execution of multi-leg strategies, such as the various types of spreads we are discussing. Once options trading is enabled, navigate to the options chain for the stock or ETF you wish to trade. Here, you can select your desired spread strategy. For example, you might choose a vertical debit spread if you are bullish or a vertical credit spread if you are bearish. Carefully define the specific strike prices and the expiration date for each individual leg of your spread. Before placing your order, thoroughly review the potential profit and maximum loss associated with your chosen spread strategy. Double-check all order details, including the number of contracts for each leg and the total premium. Once you are confident, you can place the trade. Remember to consider any associated commissions or fees that Robinhood may charge for options transactions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.